Well, I think we have our first significant swell of the season. It's not a huge swell, but it's a swell nonetheless. And the thing that's intriguing is that the winds are offshore, so we're gonna go check it out. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? John Osumi from Motionshooter Photography coming at you again with another video. This morning I was going to do some birding, but then I checked the surf report and saw that we have a little bit of a swell here today. So I thought it was worth checking out, but I'm at a good spot. And if you're local, you'll know exactly where I am. So what makes the waves good today is that they have a little bit of size. I'd say they're about shoulder to head high. But the thing that's intriguing about this time of the year is you get offshore winds. Makes the spray blow back across the wave. Whoa, it just tripped. So looking for some good shots, gonna get set up and see what I can get. So there's a couple factors that determine how I have myself set up here. So I'm on a plateau, which I feel really good about because as the tide's coming in, I don't want the water to cause me to have to move after I've already got a place established. I'm trying to catch them so the sun is coming from the side, so I'm getting the side light on the surfers, and being this is a point break, they're riding into the sun, so the sun is illuminating their face. So it's a good spot to shoot, but the waves are probably a little bit better further up the beach. So when you're thinking about best conditions to shoot the surfers, I like the mornings for the main reason that the wind is going to be the most favorable on most occasions. And also you want to go when the sun is low in the horizon as it is right now, because what happens is that it actually serves as the spotlight and illuminates the faces of the surfers if they're going the right direction. What happens if you wait till later in the day when the sun's more overhead is that it creates a shadow, and it sometimes uses the waves as a shadow, and it just really affects the quality of the photo. So you're going to get your best lighting at either end of the day. Hey, I want to thank you for watching this video. I think I got a lot of footage. I'm going to go back to the studio, put it all together, and see how it comes out. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to see the next video of this type. Thanks for watching. This is John Osumi from Motionshooter Photography.